Mitsubishi Materials AXD 7000, the only tool required for milling of aluminum alloys. The AXD 7000 is the most suitable tool for the machining of parts used in the aerospace industry. Under high spindle speeds, the double screw clamping and AFI ensures high insert stability. A large rake angle offers low resistance while maintaining high cutting-edge strength. Dynamically balanced to ensure vibrations do not occur, resulting in high machining accuracies. Mitsubishi Materials AXD 7000, the perfect solution for the machining of aluminum alloys.